Welcome to my channel. So today I will be going to show you guys how you can unlock your PC with the picture, not a password. If you prefer to unlock your PC with picture and don't use your password, then go to the start, type sign in, then click on the sign in options. So then come up here and say picture password. So then for picture password, click on add. Then from add, put your PC current password here. Okay. Then here say choose picture. Click on here. Then go to the location where you have your picture. So I have my picture in desktop. Open this. So when you open it, see here, use this picture. Click on this option. Then here you have to pick a 3 spot in the picture. So whenever you will be unlocking your PC, you'll be clicking on the exactly same spot and your PC will be unlocked. So I'm going here. 1, 2, 3. Then again 1, 2, 3. So finish it. So now our picture will be unlocked with the picture. So let's go and unlock our PC. To unlock our PC with the picture, so when you come up over